Okay, back to, this is Furnace Ave here, and we're gonna go around here up to that three-way stop, which is Ridge, where we always clean up. So this guy thinks I got a radar gun, so we're gonna do both of these here and go up that way and see what we got. All right, here's what we got. Bucket of plastic and cans. All right, gonna move on up to there, up to the next intersection. All right, now we're at the three-way, this treacherous stretch where all these lunatics come speeding around here. So we'll just do a little bit of cleanup here, see what all we got. All right, we found a nice license plate, good through 1/2025. That's cool, come in handy. And I'm missing my words, people. Bucket of plastic. We've got a diaper. Found a backpack that was likely stolen and rifled through and then chucked out of a car window. And a USB charger. Not too much in here. What else we got? Every third car that drives by smells like weed. So, I don't know, maybe that'll be good for a beach backpack. Don't really need it, but clean it up maybe. I don't know. It's an Under Armour backpack. Who knows, y'all? All right, I'm gonna dump this. Getting full. All right, I'm gonna go up this hill a little bit. See if I can give her a hand. So, uh-oh, wheelie boys. Wild out wheelie boys. That's fucking loud. So where'd you find this? Up on the hill, or?
Yeah, next to a cantaloupe box.
Cutter for, I don't know what the hell you cut with that. Greenlee Gator, 18 volt Makita lithium ion.
Really thick cable.
For cigars, obviously. So I don't know. Don't put your fingers in there, it says. What is that for? Works. That's unbelievable.
And it's charged.
And yeah, and charged. So, license plate, cutter. Where's your bucket of trash?
It's in the bag.
Okay. backpack.
You found a backpack?
Yeah.
There's no like bodies in it, right?
Nope.
Guess we could go to the wash.
Yes. It's Under Armour. I mean, just tie it up and leave it.
Yeah.
All right, one bag. Good enough for today.
One more bag of trash.
So this is Ridge, and looks like the last bit of trees, this little triangle here to that way, it's all going to be cleared, and there will be no trees left in Maryland. It's Anne Arundel County. I think they're going to clear all those too and put houses in there. I mean, this is the airport flight path. You can hear the airport. It's insane. Insanity. Every last stand of trees will be bulldozed into the ground, cleared, and they'll put houses up. There will be no more trees, it seems like. Crazy. Crazy and sad, y'all. All right. All for this time. Till next time.